In this lecture, we will talk about application bar or control menu. This is our control menu. All the tools and functionalities can be accessed through this control menu. Window is the most important menu button. Window is the father of all the panels that you see on your right and left side. I can get layer panel from it just by clicking on it. There you go. There is only one layer. We can access properties panel, which is the second most important panel that can be accessed from the window button. Window also offers you a reset function in order to get back to your workspace like this. This is a tab mode option. When you click on it, all the workspace will be changed into the tab mode. You can get back to the computer mode just by clicking on the exit touch button. There you go. In the next lecture, we will talk about the tool panel.